i te hui nā le tua lolo e pātama ka ni e pōna pe. E hā kei kalai ua te pō kau ka hoku e ka kia. E ke le nā vai te alo nā tūpuna. E ola mauloa e nā wakauloa kumona nui a kia e.
The story with that one. The bottom is all wood. Is that Kilina, is that connection. You know, our Papa Mao, the one that helped revitalize our navigation skills and traditions. He always said, the ocean is not what divides us, it's what connects us. So what brings us together. And when you think about it that way, we're one big oceanic nation. We are the biggest nation of native peoples or any peoples in the world.
This is the album, Apuy. That's why we were learning about the first one, Apuy is fire. And for us, it's very important to keep the fire burning. So we have this next gathering then like them, they have to learn how to become a pet.
E o lau mo piho pila. Ano ni mai kako aloha. Mai komako hana, mai kawhana, mai komako ka pena. Mai no holo kai o ke waa. O mo ke hopi ilani. E ia mako e hoki padea o ko. Komako o hana. Mai ka waa mamau loa. Ke kumole o komako o lalo. I ho e ho mai, i ho e mai. I komako kai, komako moana. Na o ko I lawi mai ko o lalo, na mako I lawi mai ka waa. No leila, mahalo ke ia hoki po ka awaleni ka manawa. I kipa ia mako.